Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, and today we would be looking at why I am buying more and more of Jasmy. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as it's your favorite guy here, the altcoin Doctor here, bringing you the latest analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us move to what we have today. And today we are looking at Jasmy coin, and the price for Jasmy is about the 0.00681 at the point of recording. We have pushed up a bit, as you can see, by 2 points on the rank to about 133. More money is coming into Jasmy, as you can see. Our market cap is about the 323 million dollars, right, with a 24-hour volume of about $231, right. We are up for the month about 41%, up for the week 20%, down for the day, up for the day 3.3%, and in the last 1 hour we are up 1.2%. Now let's start with some of the reasons why we are buying, and we said this is the chart for the altcoin season index. And one of the things we have noticed, right, that on the monthly, as you can see, every single time, right, price was at Bitcoin a month, every time, as you can see on the monthly, every time price was at the Bitcoin point, we have seen that that was the best time to buy, right, altcoins, as you can see right down here, even on the 14th of February. As you can see, if we go to the chart and we go to the 14th of February, as you can see, that was very 14th of February, as you can see, blah blah blah, was 14th of February 2021. Very close to the bottom, as you can see. This was around February, as you can see, down right here at the 14th of February. So a huge pump of about how many percent, as you can see right down. Even from here, if you bought from here, we could see a pump of about 177% in the price of right down here. As you can see, we had another down here at the 29th of December 2022. If we move over to the chart, as you can see, the 29th of September, as you can see, this was right down here. You would have bought exactly the bottom for Jasmy, and we have pushed up right about 178%. As you can see right down, we had another one which was on the 12th of April of 2023. If we move over to the chart, the 12th of April for 2023, right, as you can see, is right down about here. So as you can see, we are having record prices for all the lows for about, if Jasmy does the same thing we normally do at the record lows, we should see another 178%, which will take us to about the 1 cent mark, even for Jasmy on the medium to long term. Another reason why we are stacking even more Jasmy is, as you can see on the chart, we have drawn our support and resistance levels. And one of the things we were saying was that, as you can see, we are in this sort of range right here, and right then, every single time if we are going to successfully break out of this range, we could see a huge push even to the upside, even for Jasmy in the medium to long term. And so we were expecting this sort of pullback. If we move over to the 4 hourly time frame, the 4 hourly time frame gives us a better idea of why we should be accumulating. As you can see, we were expecting this pullback right down even to the 0.0064 region, right? And we said, right, we should be accumulating around this range, as we are expecting a huge pump up in the price for Jasmy. And one of the reasons we expected such retracement, right, if we bring up our indicators, as you can see right down on the money flow, as you can see on the money flow, we're quite overbought. The last time we were this overbought, we saw a huge, right, retracement in the price of Jasmy. As you can see here, we saw a huge retracement. Same thing as you can see here, right? And as you can see, we down on the money flow, we are about the 73%, right? Meaning, as you can see, on the money flow, we are at about the 72%. So we need to expect some sort of little pullback, right, even on the money flow before we see other huge push even to the upside, even for Jasmy on the medium to long term. Mind you, we should be expecting to see Jasmy at the 1 cent range, even in the coming months, right? As you can see, also, we are also very, very bullish on our oscillator. Our oscillator is having very, very bullish momentum, meaning we should be expecting further move to the upside, even for Jasmy on the medium to long term. Right. Also, if we shift over to this chart, as you can see, right, this was the pullback we're expecting. As you can see, right down, what we have here is what we call the Dosian channel. And right, every single time we have seen the Dosian channel push over to the peak, we have seen some little retracement, right, before we see another push even to the upside. As also, if we bring up some of our indicators, as you can see, we were expecting, right, a correction on the stochastic. As you can see, our stochastic is quite very oversold, right? It's on the oversold region of about the 100 down right to the 98 region. So we are expecting some little pullback, and this is your opportunity to load up more Jasmy, as we still have a huge, huge, huge upside to go even for Jasmy, and I'll be showing you more reasons why. So we actually need some little correction right down on the stochastic for us to be able to move higher. As you can see, same thing with the RSI, right? We are having at overbought level, so we could see some little correction in the price of Jasmy before we see another push even to the upside. And one of the reasons we are quite bullish is this indicator which we have here, right? And this is what we call the altcoin doctors indicator. And the altcoin doctors indicator is one that helps us, or that helped us also confirm the bottom even for Jasmy, right? We were buying Jasmy at the bottom, and for some of you that has been with the channel, you know that we were up more than 200% on that position. And as you can see right down here at the lows, at the altcoin doctors indicator, right? An indicator which I made to show us how our bullish price is. As you can see, turned bullish right down at the lows, and since then we have seen a huge push to the upside. We turned a little bit bearish on Jasmy on the daily. As we can see, our altcoin doctors indicator switched bearish, and as we can see, price flipped down even right down just about 34%. Currently, as you can see on the daily, right, the altcoin doctors indicator is still very, very bullish. As you can see right down here, we are still in the green, telling us more. This is an opportunity for us to load up more. Last but not the least, on why I am buying more Jasmy at the moment, is if we're looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool. As we have said, right, drawn is our Fibonacci retracement tool, and we could say that price always reacts at the Fibonacci of the 1.618. And as you can see, we are not even close to the 1.618. The price of our 1.618 is at the 1 cent level. So this is your opportunity to load up more and more and more, as we could see a huge push of about 59%, right, at the 1.618 level. And the way Fibonacci works is that, right, Fibonacci can be seen all around, right down even in nature, right down even on the chart, right? One of the huge, huge, huge levels we can see to see if we could see a huge bull run for Jasmy, or if we could see a huge push even to the downside, right, is the 1.618, right? So when price comes to this region of the 1.618, right, if we push, then we are bullish, and we could see price at the 4.236 region of the Fibonacci, right? If we reject at the 1.618, then we could be bearish, as we could see furthermore downside. But currently, we are still bullish on Jasmy, and we should be expecting higher prices even to the upside, to the 1.618 of around the 0.1 cent level. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.